sure it is. It's like sloppy Joe with chili.
Oh, it's a sloppy Joe with.
It's a sloppy chili.
And I don't usually like chili with beans, but this is fine.
Not that much. Breathe in. Use your hands and your legs. Move over. Turn. On. Never going. Move on.
Yep. She did. You did good.
Breathing.
You're burnt.
My mom had made me sad out there. One
Go.
You did really good.
She tried to can her again.
Keep going. Have to move more.
Yeah, Zeus wanted to take off and go again.
She was like, I want to can her. And I'm like,
What
no.
are my results? My results. Gotta be chili.